Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are for the first time unpacking our big box of science stuff. Yahoo! Drumroll please. So all of you will find in it this list: high school biology course kit, and yours will not be color coded yet, but that helps me show you what we need just for the first lab. Okay. The number is 1.05. That's why you see the 1.05 next to some things here. And I already also looked for some for the next experiment, which is 2.08, so don't get irritated by that. We are looking just for the yellow things today for our microscope lab. Microscope I have sitting here. We'll talk about that in a separate session. Here's my big box. So let's start. I already picked some things out to make it go quicker. We will hatch brine shrimps. So what you need to find first is the brine shrimp kit. That's how it looks like. It has these little eggs, or cysts to be exact, from which our brine shrimp will hatch. And you will find that little baggie. When you look at, there's one big bag of kind of everything in there. There is a lot of little stuff in one bigger bag, and that's where I found most of these items. For example, the brine shrimp are in there. Next thing we need is the hay infusion kit. Hay infusion kit looks like this. It's a bottle and hay, bottle of water. It's the individual hay infusion kit, the very fancy name for a little handful of hay and a bottle of water. But it will start growing a lot of life once we have it growing. Good, hay infusion kit. Next thing we need is microscope slides, glass slides. And we have those here in this little black, it's blue, I'm sorry, in this little blue pack, which you find in the big mixed bag. Then we need pipettes. It's the next issue here. Pipettes. There's one pipette that's already in your shrimp kit contained, but just in case, we have a whole big bag of several pipettes. We will need those also for future experiments, so I'll put them out here. Pipettes. Then we have plastic stirring rods. They look like this. They're little stirring rods with little ball-like ends, so you can whirl around. For example, when you grow our shrimp, brine shrimp, sorry, then we can just mix the water a little and mix some oxygen in. Stirring rod, scalpel. We need a scalpel. This is our scalpel. It has a very sharp edge on top, so always store it with that sharp edge stuck into this little foam pillow here, okay? After you use it, stick it back in there, please. Making sure nobody gets into it. And scalpel. Slides, onion root and root noddle. So you have one prepared slide in here. It's in a bag, in a plastic case, triple protected. Our combo onion root and root noddle slide, it's prepared. It has a little, you will see there, a little blue and a little purple slice on it. We will see another microscope what that is. And the last thing, cover slips, slide cover slips. That is this tiny little square pack cover glass. Those are little cover slips, slides, whatever you call them, to make a wet mount on the bigger glass slides. I'll show you how we do that. So this is what you need for the first lab. And then one very important part, not to forget, we need a few more things that we always need for every lab. Your big box of science stuff has blue gloves. It has, where are the glasses? Well, it has this black apron here, K-12 apron that protects your clothing, your body. And then we have somewhere some very fancy schmancy goggles that they call safety glasses. And I complained too much about them, now they're hiding from me. Here they are. These they are, okay? Fancy goggles, but they're very important to protect your eyes in case we use some chemicals. Alrighty guys, so that's it.